Hi guys, Kevlar here, welcome to another 2-minute PC building guide video, and today we're looking at how to install RAM. Okay, so here we have a motherboard where we've installed our CPU and our cooler, and next we want to install our RAM. This motherboard, we can see we've only got 2 slots available, so it's fairly straightforward. If you've got 2 sticks of RAM, just use both the slots. If you're only using one, tend to just use the one closest to the CPU. Now to start off with, the RAM slots will have clips. Open them up, ready to install your RAM, and have a look at the part here, and you can see the little notch in the middle, and as you see it's not completely centered, so that will help you know what way round the RAM needs to go. As you can see, the holes that we're going to be slotting the RAM into, we can see that the shorter end is this end, so we need the RAM to go in that way. So simply line it up with the notches, slide it in, click down both sides, and you'll see the clips have gone in. Same with the other one, line it up, push it down. Right, so in another example here we've got a motherboard with 4 slots and also slightly different clips. So these only open up on one side and this side doesn't open up. First of all, what slots do you use? Some motherboards might colour code them, so you would have alternating colours. The general rule is that there's 2 separate channels. If only using 2 sticks of RAM, they don't go next to each other. Now we can actually see on this motherboard there is a little guide on there for us. If you can read that, it's pointing at the 2nd and the 4th, telling you to use those first. Unless your motherboard states otherwise, that's the general rule to follow. We'll insert the RAM stick onto the 2nd, and this one's slightly different. Like I say, you only have to open up one side, and then we populate the last. So it's the 2nd and the 4th. And there we go, that's how RAM installed in dual channel. Hope you found that useful. Please do give us a like and subscribe for more 2-minute PC building videos. Thanks very much, and I'll catch you in the next video. Cheers!